how to connect Stripe with Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Claude AI and make sure that you are signed in with Claude AI, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Customize option you see there on the left side toolbar, and then tap on the Connect Your Apps option you see there. Now, tap on the search bar and search for Stripe there, and then tap on the plus icon you see there. You will then be required to sign yourself in order to connect your Stripe account with your Claude account. So simply go ahead and sign yourself in, and once the sign in process has been completed, tap on the continue button you see there and you will be required to finish creating your account. So tap on the create account option you see there and wait for the process to be redirected, and once redirected you will be successfully connected with your Stripe account to Claude AI. So this was about how you can connect your Claude AI account with Stripe. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.